Beautiful. And the flower is edible. It tastes a bit citric. And traditionally they cook with eggs.
Cook it with
Fried eggs and flower of the poro. Super traditional Caribbean. Here it's super simple to stack, so zero stress is the last very worst, very bad shallow session. If I have to walk a stretch, no problem, you stay on the boat and I maneuver, but probably we pass.
Those bugs again. Those bugs again making that noise.
Yeah. Okay, look there, get stuck, probably it's also our destiny. You know?
If you lose much more water, does it make it too hard to get one?
Yeah. Above all here, because it depends by the fluid. The last fluid deposits a lot of debris. So forward, guys. And stop. Okay, no, don't worry. Jump on right, jump on right, jump on right. Okay. Stay there. Stay there. And then back to position. We do this, that is more simple. So, stay and hold on, position. And now I go a bit in that way, that is more simple for everyone. It's like the mother duck. Now we wait a moment, the other guys. Okay. Okay, back to position. Now we go. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Okay. Stay there. Okay. Very good, hold on. Hold on. Stay there. Stay there, stay there. Hold on. Very good. Stay there. Because the here is full of rock. Stay there. Jump on right, jump on right. On right, on right. So, go everyone in the front. Very good. Everyone in the front. Very good. And hold on. Very good job. Back to position. Thank you so much. And forward, my friend. One, two, one, two, and stop. Very good job. So forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and stop. And look, this is another range. And look there, over there, the base camp is completely in the jungle. It's beautiful. Here the route of evacuation is more or less 3 hours hiking. Pretty tough. Also there is low water in this stretch. Forward, guys. I have to paddle on the rocks. Stop, stop. Very good. Back paddle, back paddle, back, back, back. Back, back, back. Keep going back. And stop. Stop, stop. Because here we have to let us go. So jump on right. Yeah. Very good. Back to position, back to position. Hold on, we touch. Hold on, we touch here. Hold on. Oi qua, quasi. Forward, guys. Tengan buen día. Todo bueno. All together, guys. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and stop. Very good. Forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, stop. Very good. Forward 3 times. 1.